目覚めてくれ、ダブルオー。ダブルオーガンダム、セツラよしテイヤ、出る。ダブルオーライザー、目標に向け飛翔する。これが俺たちのガンダムだ。
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've got a fantastic kit to talk about today. The RG00 Riser. And joining me, as always, is my partner in Gunpla, Avery.
Good to be here. And let me tell you, this isn't just any kit. It's a key piece from the 00 Gundam universe, a successor to the legendary Ashia and a symbol of celestial beings' renewed power. It's a twin-drive beast built specifically for Setsuna F.A. Let's talk about the tech. The box might be the size of a regular HG, but don't be fooled. This is a real grade kit, meaning it's packed with detail. You're looking at 11 large and small runners, a comprehensive sticker sheet, and an exclusive advanced MS joint internal frame. This frame is the heart of the kit. All the outer armor is built around it, giving the 00 Razor its incredible realism and articulation.
And what a manual! It's not a single sheet of paper like with the HG kits. This is a proper booklet with a mix of full color and grayscale pages. And they even highlighted the crucial steps in color. They really help. I have to say, the build was surprisingly smooth, but it took me over 8 hours just for the basic build. Did you run into any issues? I had some moments where the inner frame felt a bit soft.
That's common with a lot of these RG kits. But when you look at the final plain build, it's worth it. The multicolored plastic parts do a fantastic job of recreating the anime's color scheme without needing any paint. It looks great right out of the box.
Let's get to the good stuff. In terms of accessories, you got a ton. There are multiple hand options for different poses, 2 figures of Setsuna, the crucial G and drive manipulator, and a variety of melee weapons and guns. It's really something you need.
Absolutely. And one of the most impressive features has to be the decals. They perfectly recreate that metallic shine you can't get with paint alone. Plus, the glitter inside the GN condensers really adds a beautiful sparkle.
When it comes to mobility, this kit is no slouch. The shoulder can raise more than 90 degrees, and the elbow bend past 90 degrees as well. The head is just average, but the waist articulation is great. You can even pull off a full side split. And the double joints in the knees make the kneeling poses excellent. The base build is very stable too. I even put it through a few shake and a drop test, and nothing fell off. It can stand on one leg without any issues. However, once you combine it with the Razor unit, the part on the shoulders just hang there. It feels so insecure. and likely could drop off at any moment. Alright everyone, that's all for the review. From a scale of 0 to 10, how would you rate this kit? Please leave a comment below.
Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts.
See you on the next video.